My name is Adolfo Garcia, or Puerco rather, and I always identify myself as being one of the release engineering folks from Kubernetes, but I also lead some of the technical initiatives here at the OpenSSF, such as Protobom and OpenSSF. I tend to think about Protobom as a universal I/O layer for SBOM data. So when you have a software bill of materials, you can use Protobom to read and write any SBOM format, and the benefit is that you get to work with a single unified set of data regardless of the format. So I guess the main value is that you don't have to care about the formats. You just have the data, and then when you're programming SBOM applications, you only have to deal with the abstraction that Protobom provides of any SBOM. If you don't use Protobom, then you have to work with the individual formats and the individual libraries to parse those formats and to write them. And then you have to deal with all of the nuances for them. So instead of having to deal with each of them, you just work with a single one. Protobom was born out of a project from DHS and CISA to build an SBOM conversion library. So they wanted to have like a utility to convert SBOM formats, but we saw the potential to do something much more useful. So the first use case is that SBOM convert utility that we have in the project. That's very simple, but based on Protobom, we've been building other applications, such as, I think the flagship would be BOMCTL, that uses internally Protobom, but we also have a cell library so that you can enact policy on SBOMs, and we have SBOM generation libraries that use it. The easiest way to get started is, if you're a Go programmer, take a look at the example that we have on the main README of the project, and that's how you can integrate SBOM reading and writing capabilities to your application. And if you use it and find features or bugs or whatever, just feel free to join our calls and submit issues.